Welcome back to the channel, and we talk about everything Web3 on here, specifically about launchpads, IFOs, IDOs, all things that you can get new tokens on a very, very cheap price and watch it moon thousands of %. Now, this is possible in the Web3 space because of launchpads. Just an example like Binance, like IFOs on Pancake Swap. Now, I'm going to show you some of them through this channel. Make sure you watch all the videos because I'm going to be talking about different tokens that are upcoming, ones that have completed, ones that you should get invested into, and ones that you should stay away from. So make sure you do listen to the whole video every single time. Disclaimer, not a financial advice, do this for education purposes only. That means do your own research, but I'll give you all the tools to do it. So let's get straight in. All right, guys, so I'm going to talk about two today, okay? And the first one is Pancake Swap. This is somewhere where you can make incredible money by getting involved with their IFO. So you can see recently finished on there, okay, was Lister, okay? And this private sale and the public sale managed to make a lot of money. Now, you see 90% of the total sale was on the public and 10% was on the private sale. That means that if you got involved with this, you could have made a lot of extra dollars, all right? Absolutely incredible. Over 100,000 to raise in this, all right? It's very, very easy to go on and find it. This is one way that you can get new tokens, okay? It's very, very simple. You need to listen to me. You can get new tokens that are launching in a private sale or a public sale on this IFO, the initial farm offering, okay, before they go to the public world, before the whole of Web3 are making videos about it and talking about it. And what that does for you, if you stay to the end of the video, you'll see I will actually measure what some of these tokens do up to where they get to after their launch. Now, a lot, I'm talking maybe 85% of tokens will launch on something like Pancake Swap and then shoot up 3,000%. And then exactly straight after that, maybe 1 day, 2 days, they will drop all the way back down to a normal price. So very, very clever. If you get involved in initial farm offerings or launch pads, take the profit when it hits the height. Always take some profit, guys, and then keep some of the tokens and see if it moves forward, because you never know, it might be that small percent that really do. Second one I'm going to talk about is the Polkastarter. All right, this is a really, really cool way to make money as well. So if we look at some of the projects going onto this, okay, you can see EarnM and Akima Network. All right, the fundraising goal they will have there and the max allocation. Okay, these are listing very soon. So these are two that you need to look out for, okay, because these are two that if you get involved at the right time, you can make some percents that you're going to see here. So the last one that went up, Cookie, 468%. Look at this, 1,000% for True Efficient, 738% for Ether Games, and 609. Guys, what I'm trying to say is you get stuff at such a short price because it's not even launched yet. That's why you should always take note of what I'm talking about on this channel. So let's have a look at this big one at 1,080%. It is Truff, okay? Truff is absolutely incredible, guys. And if we look at the bar chart on this, I want to go back to exactly when did it end. So Trufflation, okay, end on April the 5th. So let's take this back to April the 5th. Now, lo and behold, when this launched, okay, guys, you can see we start here, okay, and we grew big time all the way up. All right, this is a huge, huge growth going up. So if you got involved at this part here, okay, this is you got involved here, it came along, it listed, and boom, okay, we shot straight up. You can see how high this went. Then, guys, you need to start taking profit, all right? As soon as you see this starting to come, all right, like this, as soon as it gets to this point here, take a little bit of profit. Make the profit on there, okay? It doesn't matter, because then if you still only took, say, 20% profit, when it goes back up, you could take another 20% profit, and so on, so on, so on, okay? But the main point is if you start at 0.1084 and you went all the way up to 0.3389, let's work out how much you would have made. And as you can see, guys, that is a 484, so nearly 485% growth just to this point. Obviously, it has grown more. That is huge. That is massive, massive numbers for you. All, guys, because you got in here and watched it shoot up. So there are two ways to make easy money. Wait for new tokens to launch. How do you find them? You need to follow the video. I'm going to be doing one video marking up charts, one video doing different tokens, and of course there is going to be videos in this playlist of me talking about the newest upcoming projects, so you'll get at least 48 hours advance, guys. But you need to stay tuned, so make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, the bell if you want to be notified, hit the link down below, and let's get some new tokens.